Cardano just made one of the biggest changes in its history, and it comes with an uncomfortable admission. The network has stopped growing. Now, the company that built Cardano is handing control of its most important technology to outside development teams. This could be the final step toward true decentralization. Or it could create even more problems for a blockchain already fighting to stay relevant. Input. Output. The company founded by Charles Hoskinson will begin transferring responsibility for several core Cardano components in August. That includes the Haskell node, the Plutus smart contract platform, the Daedalus wallet, Hydra scaling technology, and developer relations. Instead of one company carrying most of the responsibility, specialist teams will help maintain and develop the network. That includes SE7 Labs, a company with experience building Solana infrastructure, and Terragon, a cryptographic research team already involved with Cardano's Mithril protocol. The transition will continue into 2027. Cardano also wants at least 3 separate network implementations written in Haskell, Rust, and Go. That matters because relying on one primary implementation can create a major weakness. A serious bug or development problem could affect the entire network. Multiple independent versions could make Cardano more resilient while preventing any single company from controlling its future. According to Hoskinson, this represents the final stage of Cardano's Voltaire era, decentralizing not only governance, but the development of the technology itself. However, the timing cannot be ignored. Cardano is making this transition while its ecosystem is struggling. ADA is trading around 16 cents, nearly 95% below its September 2021 record of $3.10. Cardano also has only around $70 million locked across its decentralized finance ecosystem. By comparison, networks including Solana and Tron reportedly have more than $4 billion each. Hoskinson has openly acknowledged that Cardano has stopped expanding and needs specialized teams capable of setting targets and directing resources more effectively. He described the current period as painful growing pains, saying failures, exits, and major changes may be necessary to build a stronger system. So, is this a bullish reset for Cardano? Potentially. Spreading development across independent organizations could reduce Cardano's reliance on input-output, introduce new technical expertise, and make the network more genuinely decentralized. But it also creates a major coordination test. Multiple companies must now maintain critical infrastructure, follow shared specifications, respond to community votes, and avoid slowing development through disagreements. Decentralization may make Cardano stronger, but only if these teams can execute. And while established cryptocurrencies attempt to rebuild momentum, some investors are also searching for newer projects where they can potentially enter earlier. One project currently gaining attention is Bitcoin Hyper. Bitcoin Hyper is developing a Bitcoin Layer 2 network designed to bring faster transactions, lower costs, staking, decentralized finance, and programmable applications to the Bitcoin ecosystem. It uses Solana virtual machine technology, aiming to combine Bitcoin-focused liquidity with the speed and functionality associated with newer blockchains. Bitcoin Hyper is currently priced at $0.0136833. The next scheduled pre-sale price increase is coming in just over 1 day, with the token price rising as each stage closes. The project has also appeared on CoinMarketCap and has been covered by publications including 99 Bitcoins, helping it gain visibility among investors researching newer crypto projects. That coverage does not guarantee success. Bitcoin Hyper is still an early-stage pre-sale, meaning it carries significantly more risk than an established cryptocurrency. But for investors specifically looking for a hot new project at an earlier stage, it may be worth researching before the current pricing round ends. Cardano is betting that giving up control will help the network start growing again. Now, it must prove that greater decentralization can produce faster development, stronger adoption, and real results, not simply more people responsible for the same problems. As always, conduct your own research and never invest money you cannot afford to lose.